Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening OneDrive on your device and signing in with the account you'll use. Once signed in, make sure the OneDrive client is running and that recent sync's completed. This prevents conflicts. Now browse to the folder or file you need offline. Select it so the client knows which item to act on. Because you're about to make content local, verify you have enough storage space. Local copies require disk space and avoid surprises later. Now you perform the action that creates a local copy. Right-click or press the menu on the target file or folder and choose Always Keep on this device. On mobile, pick Make Available Offline. Once done, watch the status icon. OneDrive shows a solid green checkmark when the local copy is ready. If it's a large folder, allow time for initial download. Smaller files complete quickly. Make sure battery and network settings permit background transfers, because paused syncs will delay offline availability. Finish by testing the offline copy. Disconnect from network and open the file to confirm it loads locally. If you see placeholders or errors, troubleshoot by pausing then resuming sync or restart the OneDrive app. This often forces reevaluation. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account and that selective sync isn't excluding the folder. If space is low, free up disk storage. One key tip: use the OneDrive Sync client log or status menu to identify permission or conflict messages quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.